The BAFTA goes to this country.
Massive congratulations to this country. The show, not our country. We've had an absolute shocker over the past couple of years. Written by talented siblings Daisy May and Charlie Copper, who were one of 5 BAFTA Breakthrough Brits nominated tonight. Fans will be delighted to hear a third series is already underway. On yourselves.
I want to start off by saying a massive thank you to Shane Allen, who the show would never have even been made if he didn't have the faith in us. Chris Sussman, Steve McCrum, Damien Kavanagh.
We've got to thank our crew.
Yeah.
It takes so much hard work, you wouldn't believe it, to make it look like a documentary crew's just turned up and turned on a camera. So, like, we share this with them for sure.
Yeah, and the cast as well. Paul Jahidi, Ashley Maguire, happy birthday, by the way. And Trevor Cooper, our uncle, Uncle Trev. Our dad, Paul.
Hey, there he is.
Michael Sleggs, and yeah, and everyone else in it as well. Thank you.